Manufacturing defects can cost time, money, and reputation. What if you could detect those defects in real time using PTZOptics cameras and Defect's AI software? Well, in this video, we will walk through exactly how to set up a camera system to identify and eliminate quality issues before they leave your factory. Over the past few years, AI has become so much more usable, and software tools such as Defect Net Builder allow you to create valuable detection systems without having to write any code. Step 1 is to consider the size of the product you want to inspect. This will help determine which PTZOptics camera model is right for your application. The object needs to be at least 10 pixels by 10 pixels in the field of view. This gives your AI a clear, detailed view for more confident detections. You can imagine that there is a lot going on in most manufacturing facilities. Many industrial manufacturers need to check small sub-assemblies, which are part of larger products. PTZ cameras can be set up to zoom in to these specific areas of manufactured parts, allowing the system to capture the necessary details to provide accurate detections that human eyes don't or have a hard time seeing. Being able to zoom in to reveal specific details you want to inspect is crucial to most defect detection projects. One nice feature of PTZ cameras is its ability to quickly recall PTZ camera presets. Defect allows users to save a flight path, which are saved camera positions you can use to inspect several areas of your production line. Defect allows users to save and recall these PTZ presets as part of the inspection process. This not only enhances your project's detection confidence, but allows your team to have higher quality image magnification for review. You can take images and record video clips to provide proof of inspection and product quality. If you're interested in a proof of concept, just send us a sample video. We'll run a custom detection and return a demo showcasing how Defect works for your actual workflow. Once you've selected your camera, it's time to connect it to your network and capture some test footage. To capture the best angle, you can install PTZOptics cameras on wall mounts, ceiling mounts, or a pole mount. AI for defect detection works a lot like the human eye. If you can see it on a monitor and you can teach someone else to see it, we can detect it. So choosing a camera mounting location has everything to do with being able to see the manufactured parts from the ideal angle. All you need to do is connect your camera to the network using a PoE, Power over Ethernet, network connection to power the camera. To improve detection accuracy, we always suggest permanently installing your camera so that the video being used to train your AI will be from the same angle as the live video used to detect defects in your manufacturing line. Next, you can simply install the Defect software on your local machine or server, and you're ready to move on. Defect is always available on-prem, inside your local area network, behind your firewall. It is not cloud-based, protecting your maximum security industrial manufacturing lines. The next step is where the real magic begins. Making a neural net with Defect is as easy as taking a video and drawing a box. You can record video of your production line and begin labeling objects of interest, such as good products and defects. Defect allows you to train a custom neural net using this labeled footage, meaning you're not stuck with some generic AI model. Every production line is different, and creating a custom AI model is necessary for most defect detection projects. Labeling your video footage is easy with Defect's automated labeling system. You're building a detection engine tailored specifically to your product line, so you can train and retain the model until it's perfect. Defect supports a wide variety of customizations as well. Once your system is making detections, you can show visualizations and interact with other systems using standard-based IP protocols, such as MES, PLCs, or I/O relays. Now that your model is trained, it's time to deploy. The Detect It Net Runner can provide real-time insights on your production line, identifying defects and inconsistencies automatically. The Net Runner features a direct integration with PTZOptics cameras, allowing you to easily set up PTZ camera presets to focus in on specific areas of your production line. This can be used to zoom into specific areas of a part, like a dual lock in a partially assembled door frame, or sub-assemblies that are part of a larger system. You can reduce human error, improve product consistency, eliminate waste and rework, and gather valuable operational data to drive smarter decisions. As your system grows, so can Detect It. Each deployment can support multiple cameras depending on the computing power that you're running Detect It on. This lets you monitor multiple points on your line or even multiple production lines, all from one centralized system. Because PTZOptics cameras are robotically controllable, you can control your cameras from anywhere in the world. With PTZOptics Hive, you can remotely monitor and control your cameras, giving your team full visibility into your factory operations, whether you're managing one production line or several across multiple facilities. If you're ready to bring AI-driven quality control to your factory floor, start with a proof of concept by submitting a video of your project at the link below. Be sure to explain what you are trying to detect, and our team will follow up with a proof of concept for your review. You can also contact us to schedule a demo and see how PTZOptics and Detect It can modernize your manufacturing.